Hi, I'm Dave, the person behind Cardiff Maths Tutor. Today, I want to give you some key advice on using past papers to prepare for your maths exams. Past papers are one of the best tools that you can have, and you can easily find them online by searching for your exam boards such as WJC or EdXL and the level that you're studying at. So whether it's GCSE, higher tier, intermediate tier, AS level maths or A2 maths. But here's the thing. There are some really common mistakes that students make when using past papers, and I've made them myself when I was in your shoes. Let me share with you two of the biggest pitfalls that I've seen over the years. First of all, don't skip the stuff you can't do. When I was studying, I'd go straight to the questions that I knew how to do in past papers and avoid the questions I struggled with, telling myself I was working hard. But that's not true revision. And I see lots of students making the same mistakes. To improve, you need to go and face those tricky topics head on. If it's something you didn't understand in school, don't ignore it. Go to sites like YouTube or websites such as Corbett Maths or Maths Genie or First Class Maths for GCSE. For A-level, try Exam Solutions or TL Maths. These platforms have loads of great resources, including mini help videos, which for me was a really key way into learning independently. I can't pick up a textbook. My dyslexia does not let me, but I also find that students who are not dyslexic don't really cope well with looking at a textbook and trying to understand it. For me, real revision looks like this. Identifying the topics you don't get, watch the mini help videos on those websites that I talked about earlier, and then attempting questions on that topic until you understand it. Second, once you're comfortable with most of the material, focus on the past papers. For me, this is the ultimate hack for GCSE and for A-level. Don't keep going back to your notes or textbooks. Focus on doing as many past papers as possible. You won't run out. Do one past paper, but here's the key thing. Once you've done it, go through every question you got wrong. This is where my free PDF available on my website comes in handy. Use it to log every mistake. Write down what went wrong. Was it a careless error or is it a topic you don't fully understand? If it's the latter, go back and revise that topic properly. Then do another past paper, repeat the process. Over time, you'll see trends as to what's improving and what still needs working. This way, you're not just guessing or relying on your gut feeling, or you are not just going, I think it's this, I think it's that. You're getting real feedback as to where the knowledge gaps are. This strategy is a game changer for revising maths. And even if you've left it a bit late, you can still knock out a load of past papers and try and find some topics you don't like. But ideally, give yourself time. Don't rush it. The more practice you do, the better you'll get.